Well, hello. It's 8 p.m. and we are packing up the room. There's a bit of a story here. Thought I was booking a flight for 2 p.m, but actually I booked a flight for 2 a.m. So we need to check out of our hotel room a night early, we need to pack up all this mess, and we need to fly to Taipei, which is very exciting. So instead of being gloomy, we decided to make lemonade, and we're gonna make a bit of a goofy vlog out of this. Wish us luck.
Come on, 2 a.m. flight. Lord help us.
Well, we have checked out and now the adventure begins.
Yes, the Grab's only a couple of minutes away and then we're heading to the airport, which I imagine will be quite quiet this hour.
Yeah.
We should be able to saunter through security with no problems.
Yeah, we're still going a couple of hours early because we don't want to be late for any flights.
Okay, well maybe not as quiet as I thought. It is still a major airport, but calmer than normal.
Yeah.
Well, we've made it to the terminal. The fatigue hasn't set in just yet, although we are a bit peckish,
Yeah, we're
as
a bit
always.
peckish, so we're gonna get some food. Goods acquired. Okay, let's give this a go. A bit stale.
Oh really?
It's just crunchy, you know.
Yeah, extra crispy.
The flavors are alright.
What kind of meat?
Chicken. But for 110,000 dong, this ain't it.
This is my veggie banh mi. It's not the longest I've ever seen in the world,
No.
but people, size doesn't matter.
But price does, and let me tell you, if you order a banh mi on the street, it's maybe 20 dong, maybe 40,000 dong in a restaurant, 100,000 dong in an airport.
Okay, so mine actually wasn't terrible. It was full of egg and cheese, a very generous serving, and it was quite spicy too, so I liked it. It was really crusty, and the price was astronomical, so not totally off the hook, but it certainly filled the hole. It's satisfying to be in the plane.
And to be in a 2-4-2 configuration is so good.
Yeah, we can be antisocial.
Well, that was super easy. We've landed and we've gone through customs already.
It was a really nice experience at the border. There was this lovely guy wishing everybody a Happy New Year, so a very warm welcome.
Now, quick hack, when you're traveling like this and you know you're not going to get much sleep, bring with you a change of outfit so you can get fresh when you get to the airport. So we'll do that now and we'll see you in a bit. Okay, we're all nice and fresh and we headed for the high-speed rail into the main central station.
Can we work out the public transport in our sleepy state? Stay tuned.
I think so. Bang on time as you'd expect. Could not have asked for better weather. Blue skies, there's just so much green out there. It looks so alive. Okay, we're going to try and store these bags and then go explore the city.
And the reason for that is because we can't check into our accommodation until 3 o'clock. So we want to unencumber ourselves so we can explore the city today.
And it is currently 9 o'clock, so we've got many hours to
We
fill.
have a big day ahead, but it will be fun.
It will.
I know we'll make it right. We've been here before.
Right, so we've made made the decision to walk to Liberty Square. It's a nice central plaza where there's a bunch of interesting structures to look at. Also, I don't want to be one of those people that always talks about the weather because that's really dull, right? But it's so temperate. There's a lovely little breeze, it's balmy, absolute bliss compared to the sweltering heat of Southeast Asia.
Yeah, it reminds us of our own climate back in New Zealand.
Woo!
On our way to Liberty Square, we stumbled upon this beautiful garden park. It's really awesome. There's these wonderful pagodas that are really bright, and there's this water feature here, and it's actually full of turtles, which is super amazing. And we've got the beautiful city skyline behind us, and I believe that is a museum, so we might check that out at some point. Maybe not today, I think I'm a bit too tired for that. What a lovely place to come and reflect and take some time to breathe. The air is so fresh here.
Yeah, this park really has it all. Art installations, pagodas, water features, performance spaces.
And performance spaces. That's one for your rain heads.
One thing that's really hard to capture on film is just the sheer scale of these buildings. Each of them are Goliaths, but you wouldn't know that from seeing videos on Taipei, and this one will be exactly the same. You've got to come here to experience it.
Oh my god, I'm really tired. That 1 hour of sleep is really starting to catch up on me. I think once we've checked out this amazing temple, might find somewhere in the shade to have a bit of a nana nap, you know, just on the grass. Hopefully I won't be arrested.
This bad boy's made of slabs of marble, so luxurious. It's kind of like a marble pyramid.
OMG, it's my song.
Oh, not all the notes are being hit, but we live, we live.
But his heart's in there. Points to try. Super fast. This reminds me of Japan.
We think we're on the right train. And there you have it, we are finally at the Airbnb. We've been up for near on 2 days straight and we're in dire need of some sleep.
Yeah, it's been a bit of a mission, but look, it's all worth it because we now have an amazing view at our Airbnb. Check this out. We've got a valley that we're overlooking, there's some mountains in the distance, greenery, it's pretty fantastic.
Yeah. Now I know this has been a bit of a different video for us. If you have enjoyed us trying out more candid style, in the moment if you will, let us know in the comments if that's something you'd enjoy us to make more of.
Right, well I think it's time for us to have a nap. Do you agree?
Indeed. See you next time.
Ka kite anō.
Bye.